Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 on the topic of Chapter 1 Multiple Choice Question. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 1 Multiple Choice Question or M.C.Q. And this is our 5th lecture and 4th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 5th lecture and 4th homework. Students, take your book and writing elements. We'll practice some multiple choice question from chapter 1. So let's start. First question, in which year London Science Museum successful in making the engine capable of calculating mechanically? Options are 1833, 1842, 1953, 1991. So students, can you guess which one will be correct answer? Yes, in 1991, London Science Museum successful in making the engine capable of calculating mechanically. So our correct answer will be option D, 1991. Question number 2. Which scientist made it possible to do office from home? Given options are Charles Babbage, Ada Lovelace, James Clerk Maxwell, Jagdish Chandra Bose. The correct answer is James Clerk Maxwell. It will be option 3. Question number 3. Who is the inventor of Facebook? And options are Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Tim Berners-Lee. This is very easy question and famous question. I hope you all know the answer, and you know Mark Zuckerberg is the inventor of Facebook. So correct answer will be option 3, Mark Zuckerberg. Now question number 4. How many types of impact are noticed in ICT? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guess? There are 2 types of impact noticed in ICT. So correct answer will be option 1, 2 types. Question number 5. The message of dash words is called the tweet. Options are 120, 140, 190, 240. Students, we have learned about Facebook and Twitter, and the message of dash words is called the tweet. Can you remember? Yes, the message of 140 words is called the tweet. So it will be option 2, 140. Number 6. We will celebrate Golden Jubilee in 2020, 2021, 2030, 2050. Yes, this is also a known question. You know, in 2020, we are going to celebrate Golden Jubilee. It's 2020, so this is our Golden Jubilee. So it will be option 2, 2021. Number 7, e-learning is the short version of electric learning, electronic learning. So e-learning means electronic learning. It will be option 3, electronic learning. E-learning is the short version of electronic learning. Question number 8. Ada's father was a famous, options are doctor, poet, programmer, engineer. Students, as you have learned about Ada Lovelace, you know who was her father? Yes, her father was Lord Byron, an eminent English poet. So her father was a famous poet. It will be option 2. Question number 9. Golden Jubilee means dash years. And options are 12, 25, 50, 60. Students, do you know Golden Jubilee means how many years? we are going to celebrate Golden Jubilee in this year, that means in 2021. So it will be 50 years. We are going to celebrate 50 years. So option is 3. Golden Jubilee means 50 years. Question number 10. Who is the owner of Microsoft company? And the options are Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Ada Lovelace, Maxwell. We know Bill Gates is the owner of Microsoft company. So it will be option 1. Question number 11. In May 2014, how many people used Facebook? 10 lakh, 10 crore, 100 crore, 119 crore, or 119 crore. So according to the statistics, in May 2014, 119 crore people used Facebook. So it will be option 4. Question number 12. The application of digital method in government administration is e-governance, e-service, e-permit, e-ticket. Students, look at these options: e-governance, e-service, e-permit, e-ticket. So except option 2, all are e-service. So for this question, the correct answer will be e-governance. The application of digital method in government administration is e-governance. E-governance is also e-service. So as we find e-permit, e-ticket, as they are also e-service, we have to take answer 1, e-governance. Question 13. Steve Jobs was died in 1955, 2010, 2011, 2012. Students, do you know when Steve Jobs left us? Okay. 1955, this is the year when he was born, and 2011 is the year when he was died. So it will be option 3, 2011. Question number 14. From below, who is Bengali scientist? Options are Steve Jobs, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Bill Gates, none. So can you guess who is Bengali scientist? Yes, here Jagdish Chandra Bose, we know he was an eminent Bengali scientist. Question number 15 and our last question. The technology in which the local doctor can get advice of a specialist doctor is telemedicine, e-permit, e-ticket, MTS. Can you guess the technology in which the local doctor can get advice of a specialist doctor is? Yes, it will be telemedicine, and we can call e-healthcare, e-telemedicine or e-healthcare. Students, today we have done 15 MCQ from chapter 1, and your homework will be 5 MCQ. You have to write 5 MCQ from today's given MCQ. You can write any 5 MCQ from this 15. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 5 and homework number is 4. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your homework copies, and you will get returned in your homework copies on next Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.